I count myself as the lucky one, part of the lucky few that are able to stand up for themselves. I faced racism, people called me names or, said mean things to me, but people around the world get killed for it. I don't think I would ever be a part of a pageant now, this 40-year-old me. I don't want to be judged for my body type or if I can give a quick-witted answer in 60 seconds while the dong is going. I think there are complexities around pageants and they can be highly empowering, but there's a lot that needs to change for them to be that way. But at that time, it was very, very empowering. For a small town girl, it just felt like, wow, my life has suddenly changed. The cameras were like that and now it's all on me. Well, अभी तक तो जहाँ तक मैंने काम किया है और मैं सिर्फ अपने बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ, मुझे कभी भी जब भी मैंने को लीड प्ले किया अपने को एक्टर के साथ, मेल को एक्टर के साथ, कभी पे पैरिटी नहीं हुई है मेरी। और अभी 22 साल का करियर हो चुका है मेरा, लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि मेरी और फीमेल कॉलीग्स हैं जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, जिनको सेम रिन्यूमरेशन मिली है, उनके को एक्टर्स के साथ ज़्यादा नहीं होता। एक्सेप्शन टू द रूल है, उस एक्सेप्शन को बदलना ज़रूरी है ताकि वो नॉर्मल बने। I was called black cat, dusky. What does even dusky mean? I did think that I was dark-skinned. I did think that I was not pretty enough. I did think that I would have to work a lot harder, even though I thought I was probably a little bit more talented than my co-actors who were lighter skinned. I thought that was right. I thought that because it was so normalized. So I think as I grew up, I saw things in my career that I didn't even know were right or wrong, and I had to be educated and learn along the way. पहली बार 22 साल के करियर में मैं एक अमेरिका में शो कर रही हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे पे पैरिटी मिली, और वो पहली बार हुआ और एक ही बार हुआ है। तो आगे जैसा मेरा करियर बढ़ता है मैं आपको बताती रहूँगी कि वो हो रहा है या नहीं। लेकिन जो डिबेट है, जो हक होता है लड़की का और एक आदमी का, वो फ़र्ज़ है हम लोगों की इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, चाहे वो आपकी इंडस्ट्री हो, चाहे वो मेरी इंडस्ट्री हो या जो भी इंडस्ट्री हो। अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो उस काम की तुलना सेम तरीके से होनी चाहिए, और वो तुलना हमेशा थोड़ी सी स्क्यूड रही है। और उसके बारे में जो हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, हम लोग डिमांड्स कर रहे हैं, इट टेक्स वेरी ब्रेव वुमेन टू स्टैंड अप एंड से कि नहीं ये गलत है, मैंने इतना काम किया है। वो ब्रेवरी जो होती है बहुत इंस्पायरिंग होती है, और मैंने अपनी जनरेशन की लड़कियों में देखा है वो ब्रेवरी। आप अलग अलग मुद्दों में देखें, चाहे सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट में नहीं, वो ब्रेवरी दुनिया बदलेगी। It can be a lot sometimes, because you can just never be good enough on social media. No matter what you do, there will always be people that will say, you did this wrong, you wore this wrong, you didn't say something about something, you should have said something about something. And it's just like, you can never please everyone. And I realized that very early in my career as a public person. When I was younger, in my 20s, I really needed everyone to love me. I'm not a politician, I'm an entertainer. And I can't change laws, I can't create laws, but I have influence. All I think about is, like, what am I doing every single day? Can I be a good person and make sure that I create actions within my own life that maybe have a butterfly effect?